Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you spaghetti detection project. So here, let's say you have a 3D printer and you are printing a model, and in the middle of the printing it become like printing is failed and everywhere there is spaghetti generated. Then all of your filament is going to waste because you don't know that is printing is destroyed. For that purpose, this can detect the generation of spaghetti. Whenever it detect, it can send you email or any other way, like it can make sound also. So this is how it can help from saving your filaments if it generates spaghetti anytime. So let's play this video to see how it works. I have two more videos. Let's see. So this is all in this video about the project. Thank you for watching.